gather here together amid the glow of knowledge and the brilliance of ideas, let us raise our glasses to celebrate the essence of light that guides our journey through the vast expanse of discovery. In the realm of science, every breakthrough, every innovation is illuminated by the light of inquiry, fueled by the curiosity that burns within each of us. Like photon traversing the universe, our quest for understanding transcends boundaries, illuminating the darkest corner of ignorance and revealing the wonder that lies beyond. Today, we come together to share our insight and perspective. Let us remember the profound impact of light in shaping our understanding of the natural world. Let us also acknowledge the brilliance of collaboration. For just as light particles join forces to create magnificent spectacle in the sky, so too do we as scientists join hands across the discipline and borders to unravel the mysteries of nature. As we raise our glasses, let us toast to the pursuit of knowledge, to the power of illumination, and to the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. May our collective efforts continue to shine brightly, guiding us toward a future where the light of understanding reaches every corner of the world. Cheers to nature light and to the luminous journey that lie ahead. Thank you. 谢谢。